Hey everyone, this is David Everett. This is the 1000 Minds Rest of Project presentation for Group 1. So let's get on into it. So first off, we had a selected question that we've had from the beginning of the 1000 Minds project, and our question is, model name or statement question is selecting a new office location. This goes along with the question at the decision step, which is later on in the days, which two hypothetical offices do you prefer? That's just figuring out which alternative or ranked alternative will be our final result. So we ended up, our team consists of Brent, Brandy, Wendy, Ashley, and myself. We all had full access, which is shown on this screen here, making it so that we can all upload, change anything that we need to do to reach a conclusion that we all agreed on. So, we were supposed to research and develop at least 3 more criterion for making our final decision. So the original criteria that we started with was price, distance, restaurant image, food quality, and environment/clientele. So the new three that we decided to come up with was service, taste, and ambiance. Service and taste are pretty self-explanatory. The ambiance is more of a cleanliness of the restaurants, well lit, the decorations, etc. So then we were instructed to research and develop 3 more acceptable alternatives. So we started out with Applebee's, McDonald's, and Red Lobster. And then the new ones were Asian Buffet, Hobo's Tavern, and Olive Garden, giving us a more broad variety or options and styles of restaurants. So after that, we did the hypothetical questions to figure out what the ranking was. We all came to conclusions on where they ranked. Obviously, seeing, for example, with Hobo's being the number 1, the price was not too bad. Distance also, fairly close. Restaurant, very good. Restaurant image, very good. Food quality, great food. Environment, clientele, good. Service, good. Taste, excellent. And the ambiance the upkeep is very nice. It's lit well, very, interesting decorations and whatnot. So that placed first. Other than that, the other restaurants are fairly similar, like, Red Lobster, and Olive Garden are definitely in the same category of restaurant, so that's why they placed both fairly good, second and third. Applebee's kind of is the middle ground of all the options. McDonald's lower tier, and Asian Buffet, that's a buffet, so it was a little bit of a different style, but we all agree that it was something that not your go-to restaurant. So the last 3 slides here are for the reflection. It's just talking about how we, came to the conclusions. We understood that we all had access to place our input. We came together to choose the first set of restaurants, also the new added restaurants. We found that our results were very close. As a group, we needed to break a tie between the top 2 that was before the new added alternatives. Originally, Red Lobster was the top pick because of the pricing wasn't too bad, not too far away. Food is good, and they had a lot of menu options. Also, the last line there is saying that obviously all those outweigh the other 3 of McDonald's and Applebee's, because those are a lesser tier of restaurant compared to Red Lobster. And then for our final decision, we ended up going with Hobo's Tavern just because it's an all-around, across-the-board, best restaurant for the price, distance, and all that other stuff that we added for the alternatives. So that's the project presentation for Group 1. Thank you.